Hey, what a dope-ass Airbnb. Let's make a video. This used to be a children's library from the 1960s that was renovated into an Airbnb. Over here, there's old photographs of children reading, teachers doing teacher things. It's definitely giving me Children of the Corn vibes. There's a locked basement that I'm never going to.
You alive.
So we're actually at this Airbnb for a top secret product photography project. And even though we have loads of fun and make amazing cocktails every time we travel, there's something that we always do that has been the secret to propelling our business, and that is passion projects. So we knew we'd have access to a really nice bathroom, so we went down to TJ Maxx and found the nicest, most sleekest, modern looking skincare products we could find. That way we could photograph them on our own terms without any client briefs in the style that we want. There's no incentives, no one's paying us. This is purely for us to have custom content on our portfolio and to share on our socials to attract new clients to our business. And not just any clients, because it's something that we created that we love, it's attracting the exact kind of client that we want to hire us. So let's take you behind the scenes on how we style and photograph bathroom location shoots. Here we are in this gorgeous bathroom, and one thing you need to pay attention to is your lighting. Most bathrooms don't have the best lighting, so if you're going for something that's a bit brighter, make sure you bring adequate equipment to accommodate that. But this bathroom thankfully has a nice window over on this side, but we also brought our Godox SL60W and set it up with a nice softbox to add some diffused lighting throughout the room. But the real bad boy is our Godox FB150, which is our most powerful light with this light modifier on it. This modifier we just got and absolutely love. It is actually casting a window shadow onto our scene, creating a more dramatic, elegant look. And the coolest part is it comes with these different modifiers. So we could do like a slit, we could do blinds, and there's a couple more here. You can also change the color. You can pair them to make different color combinations, but we're keeping it simple with just a window shadow. As for the styling, there's not really much going on here. This product is speaking for itself. It's a strong contrast against the background, and we're using this plant to create a nice little shadow here to add just a bit more depth into the scene.
If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe. If not, don't care. I'm lounging in a $700 chair. Seriously, this is the most expensive chair I've ever sat in. You want to try it?